Hello and welcome to our screencast, aimed at giving you a step-by-step guide to the online calculator developed by Wilorton Transmission and Distribution Polluted Insulators Hybrid Washing System. The calculator will allow you to receive the following outputs: the daily number of towers cleaned, working days required to clean all the selected transmission lines towers, washing water consumption, staff required, washing equipment maintenance cost calculated every year, and the demineralized water cost, along with preventive maintenance investment cost per kilometer for polluted insulators hybrid washing system, and the hybrid washing system equipment details. Browse to wilorton.com/calc, C-A-L-C, calc, and fill in the required contact details. Please note that all fields are required. Then click the Proceed button. You will be taken to the Transmission Lines Configuration selection page. Select the configuration of your choice between the available options by clicking the relevant button. We've configured the following options: 400-500 kV double circuit suspension towers single V suspension set insulators, quad conductors type AAA-C, diameter 29.10 mm. 230-300 kV double circuit suspension towers, double tension string insulators, twin conductors type ACSR/AW Drake, diameter 28.11 mm. 115-150 kV double circuit suspension towers, single string insulators, twin conductors type AAA-C 500, diameter 29.1 mm. Once all fields are filled in, click the Calculate button. Once again, please note all fields are required to proceed. So here's the calculator output according to the data you input. Washing performance, you can see the following information: defined power line number of towers, the daily number of towers cleaned, working days required to clean all the selected transmission lines towers, washing water consumption. Note that demineralized water is usually available in power plants. An alternative option is a water treatment plant of small size. You will also see the operating cost in terms of staff required, washing equipment maintenance cost calculated every year, demineralized water cost, and finally the investment cost. You will get the preventive maintenance investment cost per kilometer for polluted insulators hybrid washing system, and the hybrid washing system equipment details. Let me add a general note. The washing efficiency output data and operating costs only consider one pumper truck and one 30 cubic meters capacity water tanker. For example, with 2 pumper trucks and water tankers, the daily number of towers cleaned is double, while the working days required to clean all the selected transmission line towers is halving. The hybrid washing system cost does include a local piping system procurement. The hybrid washing system cost doesn't include the piping system installation. The piping system installation time for one tower is 1 day per tower by trained staff. Please note that the calculator output is based on the power line selected configuration. Relevant data may vary depending on transmission line and hybrid washing equipment variables. Get in touch with us for a free of charge case cost study for your infrastructure. We thank you for your attention and we look forward to connecting with you soon.